Alright everyone, now this section specifically focuses on core areas of providing you marks. The 16 marks of the novel section that you aim at, just make sure when you come at the chapter Around the World in 80 Days, when you come at the novel The Sign of Fall, and when you come at the novel To Serve with Love, you just see that these are the normal kind of questions that are appearing. I would be sending you the answer of every question that is there at the end of the novel section. You just have to read those extracts in the textbook very clearly and in a very in-depth manner, so that any question that pops up from any of this section, you are, surety, you have this air of surety and the confidence in your pen when you write the answer. So when you look at this one, who said to whom? A sentence will be given to you and you will be asked who said this statement to whom. Not just that. The pointer is tone. In what tone was it said? Was it said in a very interrogative kind of a tone? Or was it said in a very desperate kind of a tone? Was it said in the awareness creating kind of a tone? What tone did that sentence reflect from the person who said it? Then the style. And then the significance. Like that statement revealed what? That statement wanted to understand what? What was the significance of that statement at that point of the novel? So this is one kind of a question that may come up. Look at the second one, central idea of the novel. The Sign of Fall, mysterious kind of a novel, and detective in search of a solution kind of a novel. Whereas the Around the World in 80 Days, thrilling and extremely, difficult kind of a novel for the protagonist. We go ahead writing the central idea. So I'm going to be providing the answer for this as well. When you look at qualities of the characters, did we not pay attention to the qualities of the characters when we started Sign of Fall? We did, right? Did we not pay attention to the attributes of the characters when we started the novel Around the World in 80 Days? We did, right? So these are very important qualities of the characters, and the questions may come up from this section as well. When you look at this one, elaborate the lines. What do you understand from this? A line will be given to you and you will be told to elaborate on it. So you have to understand कि novel के कौन से section में कौन सा sentence किसने किसको कहा and all of that. Okay. So let us solve some of it. Come to page number 219. Everyone, 219. Yes, you heard it correct. And when you come to page number 219, what do you see? You see that the question comes up like, following are some dialogues of the major characters in the extract. Find out who the speaker is and what is his or her tone, style, and etc. of the dialogue. Okay. Now you have the dialogues. You have once enabled my employer, Miss Cecil Forrester, to unravel a little domestic complication. She was much impressed by your kindness and skill. Who says this? Miss Morstan says it. To whom? Sherlock Holmes. Now, what is the tone in which this is said? Admiring, complimentary kind of a tone. What is the style in which this is said? Exposition. It is exposed. The fact is exposed. And then what is the significance? That, she reveals the fact that her friend, you had helped her friend, that is Detective Holmes had helped her friend, and that gives a kind of air of certainty even to Miss Morstan that she could go ahead and reveal the mystery that she is into in her life, and she really expects that to also get solved by it. So just from a reference of a friend knowing something good and something certainly perfect about a man's working, that is Holmes' working, she comes there and wants to get the solution of her own arduous situation in her life, right? So that's what we see. The tone, the style, and the significance. Look at the second one. You will, I am sure, excuse me. Who says this? Read the novel, everyone. Read the novel and then watch this lecture. Novel, no, not novel, just the two extracts from your textbook. Read them and then you will understand these things in a better way. Dr. Watson said it to Sherlock Holmes, okay? Why? Because the tone was very polite, it was very courteous, okay? The style was direct, and the significance is doctor wanted to take the leave because he thought that Miss Marston would appear slightly uneasy and she wouldn't reveal the facts and all to Detective Holmes. So he wanted to give the space so that the statement of the case is nicely portrayed and the interpretation does not go wrong because of his presence there. Are you getting me, everyone? What is the significance over there? Are you understanding how the nature of question may come up? Look at the third one. Your statement is the most interesting. Has anything else occurred to you? Sherlock Holmes interrogates, asks Miss Marston, right? What is the nature and all of that. So it is very inquisitive, the tone, the style is interrogative. And what is the significance? Holmes is genuinely impressed by the uniqueness of Miss Marston's case, and he is also enamored by the fact that she is able to reveal all the necessary details, and he could act in a punctilious way. He could be meticulous while attempting the solution of it. I hope you all are understanding. Look at the last one. Are you the parties who come with Miss Marston? So this is said by the coachman to Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. So the tone is very inquiring, the style is very clarifying, and the significance is what the coachman was acting on behalf of the anonymous sender of the letter. We know who the sender of the letter was. He was Thaddeus Sholto, right? And then he was understanding it so that nothing bad happens and these two people do not turn out to be the police with other motive in their minds. Are you getting me, everyone? So this is the way in which you have to remember the questions may come up. The central idea, the qualities, and elaborate the lines. A pattern which is followed after the end of every novel in your text. So you're going to be getting the solution for that as well. For now, that's it. Thank you very much. Now the only novel that remains is To Sir with Love, right? Now, as I told you, that sometimes it feels strange, sometimes it feels queer, Queer. Queer is also strange. Sometimes it feels strange to understand the behavior pattern of a human, that a human is able to act also in an inhuman way, that a human is able enough, has the ability enough to suppress his own counterpart. That human also has the ability to suppress his own human race. And when I talk about all the kind of discriminations that people suffer and get treated with in the entire world, racism is one of its kind. What's the meaning of racism? The difference of color which is made and a person is shown inferior, that is the meaning of racism, which was observed obviously in the countries of African continent. And that kind of seeds of discrimination that was sown over there, it really became a major tree which had a lot of fruits in it. What are the fruits? The countries which glorified that yes, this was the correct theory of racism, that yes, the white race is above all, and yes, the black are actually born to be ruled by the whites, and all these kind of behavioral patterns do exist even now. No matter what, how much laws we make, how much system we try to come up with, no matter what, how much directions of help we take from the constitutions of different countries in the world, unless and until we see a human for the way he or she is, we are not going to be understanding that how much bad or how much unpleasant effect this kind of a discrimination has within itself. Are you getting me, everyone? To Sir with Love is a kind of a novel that tells you there was a person who had served England in different kind of wars, but after that he opted to become a teacher. But when he goes into a university, the white kids over there mock him, make fun of him, make mockery of him. Now he is bullied over there because of racism which is there in the air of the country like never before. Let us unravel, let us uncover, unbox some of the most interesting facts about this novel as well. To Sir with Love. For now, that's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.